How you doing, guys? It's Stephen here from James Glen Car Sales, and we've got a very nice, obviously I'm going to say very nice, we're trying to sell it, but we do genuinely have a lovely low mileage facelift Audi S3 in Panther Black, which I will try my best to show up in the camera. Panther Black is a black, but it's also got a green and purple through it. As you've probably guessed, the car is fully detailed as per our standard preparation process, and it looks absolutely phenomenal under the garage LED lights. It's a 2016 on a 66 plate, 28,000 miles. It has had 2 owners and a full Audi service history as well. During prep we had to fit a new tyre, which was just fitted with a like for like Bridgestone tyre, as we don't fit budgets here at James Glen Car Sales, and we also put a new set of disc pads along with a fresh MOT. So now that we've got the boring stuff out of the way, let me show you around. Depending on what angle the light is hitting the paintwork, as you can see we've got a green patch up here, and then down here we've got purple. It really does make this car stand out under certain light conditions. At night it just looks black, and then once the light starts bouncing off the metallic, it just becomes so much more interesting. So we'll have a wee wander around the outside, just to give you a rough idea of what the car's condition is like overall. Then we'll go in a bit closer, we'll have a look at the interior, pop the bonnet, let you have a look at the engine, we'll get the car started as well, just to make sure that everything to make sure it idles as you'd expect, and just to demonstrate that there is no warning lights. And we'll also confirm the car's current mileage. So we've got a couple of stone chips on the front bonnet, which is highlighted for 2 reasons. One, we've got all our interior, our LED lighting just in the roof there, and also because the car is black, it will show up pretty much every single imperfection on the front. But certainly we're now standing a metre away from the front of the car, and they're barely visible. LED lights and daytime run lights are standard. 18-inch wheel, new discs and pads, no damage in the wheel there, and also a Bridgestone Potenza. In fact, it's just a tiny chip just down there, and that's tyre shine. Looking down the passenger side, no parking dents, no scratches, just the way we like them. Rear passenger wheel free from damage, and a Bridgestone tyre on there as well. Really classy looking car, I have to say, and very rare being a manual and also a 3-door. A set of winter mats, and there is a set of summers inside, so both plastic and carpets, and we've got a wee load liner in there too. That's the front plate, as the car's currently sitting with its James Glen display plate. Rear driver's wheel, again matching Bridgestone. One tiny little kerb edge, in fact it's not even kerbed, it's lacquer, water is underneath the lacquer there, and it's just going a little bit milky just on the rim there. Looking down the driver's side, there is one very small parking dent just here, which I'll try and show up in the camera. And just moving on to the last remaining wheel. Again, another matching Bridgestone Potenza, and there is a little bit of kerb damage just here. No, in fact, again, it's not kerb damage, it's just water under the lacquer. If you've ever had a car with diamond cut wheels, you will feel our pain. So that's the exterior. We'll move on to the interior, and it is a manual. Uber rare, especially on a facelift. Current mileage 28,382. Got the illuminated cup holders. This one also has the Bang & Olufsen audio. Heated seats is standard on the facelift, and the MMI will pop out the dash once we get the car started. So we need to put a new key in the new battery in the spare key. And there's where MMI just popping up. As you can see, the car's idling just like as it should. A little bit, just touch above 1000 RPM because the engine's cold. That'll come down off cold start in a few minutes. And finally we'll just have a little nosy under the bonnet to confirm the car is completely standard with no modifications. And everything all in its place as you would expect. Hope you found this video helpful. If you would like to discuss any aspect of the vehicle, please do feel free to get in touch with us here at the garage. I'll put a link to the website just down below. We'll also put a link to the car so you can read through all the car's dates and mileages for the service history. If you've got a car you would like to part exchange, again, please feel free to either submit it via the website, or you can give us a call on 01236 77 9000. As I mentioned earlier on, all the cars are freshly MOT'd. We also do an 82-point inspection. So just to let you know, an MOT is the bare minimum inspection that you can do on a car. We also then do an additional check over and above that by way of an 82-point inspection. Any tyres that are required, we always fit premium brand tyres. Everything goes out with a minimum of 3-month RAC nationwide warranty, which can be extended to either a year or 2 years. On a 2 litre like this, you're looking at $299 for a year or $549 for 2 years. We also do ceramic coating. If you'd like your car ceramic coated before collection, we can do that as well. That's $499. And finally, we also offer car finance. We've got finance calculators on the website, so you can go in there and have a play about and see if the car's in budget on the monthlies. Or if you would like just to get in touch, we can provide you a quote by email as well. Thank you very much for making it to the end of the video. Hope you found it helpful. If you would like to find out more about the garage, again, you should look us up on Facebook. We're very, very active on there. We also do one car review every week. It goes out on a Friday. If you'd like to see the cars that we have reviewed in the past, if you click this box up here, it should be there. That'll take you through to the review playlist. And if you would like to see more stock updates, it would be great if you could consider subscribing, which you can do by clicking the James Glenn logo. Should be just above my shoulder here. So thanks again for taking the time to watch the video, and we look forward to hearing from you over the course. Thank you. Bye bye.